Hi, how are you? This is Natalie Foxhill on behalf of FacePaintingTips.com. This is my 8-year-old son Phoenix, and today I'm going to paint him like a skeleton. Now this is a fun skeleton. It's not very scary. It's perfect for little boys. It's not terrifying. So this is a really popular one. All the products I'm using are Diamond FX. I have this palette, which can be purchased on FacePaintingTips.com. It's wonderful and portable. Has all your colors. They come out. They're nice and easy, so it's very highly recommended. And the skeleton is basically 2 colors, black and white. We're going to gradate them a lot to give them different variations of the color, but super simple. So what I'm going to do is take a high density sponge, which can also be purchased on FacePaintingTips.com, and I cut it in half. So you get it a little wet, and you can use a squirt bottle or you can use a cup of water. I actually use both. Sit up, please. Okay, so what I'm going to do, look at me, please. What I'm going to do is start getting the white on Phoenix, and as you can tell, it's amazing coverage. And I'm going to make a big circle around his eye. Another big circle around this eye. You okay, buddy? Close your eyes really gently. Thank you very much. Okay, so now he has a perfect white mask. Gentle, honey. Good job. Okay. Now, Phoenix, I need you to part your lips a little bit, just like this. Good job. Now I'm gonna, with his lips, I'm going to go straight up and repeat it on the other side. You can use a big brush for this as well. You can use like a 12 round for this, which is normally what I do, but today for some reason I'm using a sponge. So that's it. That's the base white.
I want to see.
This is the base white that we're using today. Now I'm going to take the 12 filbert that I just told you about, and I'm going to go in with my black. And you don't want it too wet because Diamond FX paint a little bit goes a very long way, so you don't want it too wet. I'm going to make a circle around Phoenix's eye, like so. Look at me, please. Close your eye very gently. Thank you very much. Close your eye very gently, please. I'm going to make a circle around this eye. Okay. And now, I'm going to take a number 4 and I'm going to use the black outline. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make a U, like right here on the forehead. It's got all this beautiful hair we have to move. And then I'm going to trace it here, a big line. Down here. And I'm going to trace it again around here and down there like so. Alright, the outlining is done. Now what I'm going to do is take my 12 filbert again, and it has a lot of black on there. I love to mix my colors. Of course you can purchase gray. Today I don't have Diamond FX gray, I have black and white. So there's both on here, black and white. On the top lip, I'm going to make that gray, which is perfect. That's exactly the look I'm going for. And now I'm going to take the forehead, and I'm going to do the same thing, taking the black and pulling it down into the gray. I'm also going to repeat it on the sides. I know it looks funky now, but it's going to pull together beautifully. Now I'm going to take the gray off my brush, and we're going to go to just white. Look at me, please, Phoenix. And now I'm taking the gray and pulling it into the white. So that gives it like that great, very you go, that great gradation, and it looks so good when that happens. Really realistic. So again, taking the gray, pulling it into the white. Perfect. All right. We're going to do the nose, a couple stitches. You're going to be done in just a moment. Cool. All right, so that part's done. What I'm going to do now is take a number 4. Give me, please. I'm going to do the nose, which is very easy. I'm going to press and then press again. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to press and I'm going to press down again, and that's the easiest skeleton nose ever. Skeleton nose is done. Next, I'm going to take some cracks, and I'm going to very carefully, with no method, put some nice squiggles to make it look like cracks in the skull. I'm going to repeat the same technique on the sides. Right here. Okay, I'm also going to take 2 black lines and outline the eyes of my skeleton. And the last thing I'm going to do is the teeth. And that is the best part. The teeth look really, really cool. Alright, cracks are pretty much done. All we're going to do is the teeth, and then we are all finished with Skeleton Phoenix. Okay, now for the teeth, what you want to do is start right here in the middle of the lips. You're going to make a line. And you want a big tooth, middle tooth, small tooth. Repeat the same on the other side. Big tooth, middle sized tooth, small tooth. Perfect. And then what I do is take white and just fill it in, because teeth are obviously white. You don't want that gray. So I'm going to go over the gray with some white, just like so. And do not worry about painting over the kids' mouths, because this paint is non-toxic. It's a water-based paint, very safe for the kiddies, so there's nothing to worry about. Little highlight in the nose. And we are good to go. So there is our very handsome skeleton. Thank you, Phoenix. And again, my name is Natalie Foxhill for FacePaintingTips.com, and I thank you for watching.